your left hand does the underhand version of that, which is up, out, and down, up, out, and down, up, out, and down. Okay, now, if we were to do the stalls, the left hand would do, let's say, one cap, up, out, down, and then up stall. As soon as you get to the bottom here, you're going to up stall from here, and then as soon as you up stall, you come around to the other side into the cap. Left foot forward. So after you do the up stall, you turn and come out on your right. So you just repeat yourself. Up stall and up stall and turn, 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 up stall and turn, up stall and turn. If you imagine, if you are in the V stance here, when you turn into the cap this way, I'm lifting my right heel. And when I turn into the cap this way, I lift my left heel. So if I were to put it together, it'd be bump, 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 bump. The right hand is an overhand. It's the one doing the drop stall. You'll do the anti-spin up and then the drop stall down. Come around to this side and anti-spin up, drop stall down, come around to the bottom, anti-spin up, drop stall, come around, anti-spin, drop, swivel, drop, swivel, drop, swivel, drop, swivel. After the drop, I'm coming all the way around to the side here, and I'm relating to it as coming from, when I do the drop stall, it's on the front side of my body. As I come up, I'm coming up, and as I'm crossing the crown of my head, I'm crossing to the back side of my body, which is now the right side here. So from this stall, I'm crossing over. From this stall, I'm crossing over. So then the big thing I would say from a technique perspective to watch when you're doing the practice is ensure, this is true for both overhand and underhand, when you're doing the anti-spin portion, right? So when I come over to this side, I go in, spin down. When I go anti-spin up, remember, punch it out, right? Out and up, right? It's the out and up and the drop stall. Do you see the difference? So I'm punching it out versus like just the hand going up. You'll get a wider diameter circle if you go out further and punch out with the anti-spin and get it all the way up to 12 o'clock. I mean, it's just a fancy way of saying size matters. Okay, so the cap in question is left underhand, right overhand. Whichever way you're facing, it'll be left underhand, right overhand. And then one is at the top, one is at the bottom. You do the in-spin, so switch positions. Then you do the anti-spin, out and switch, right? And then all you do is just stall and turn them both. Now, if you are unfamiliar with the stall, I mean the turn, you can start like this as if you had just stalled the left one, right? And then come from here to this side just to practice what that's like. If you're feeling uncomfortable with this part in the middle, do this in the middle. All you do is, right, so you'll start from this, you'll go in on the right, you'll do this, and then you'll do this.